Hey bestie! So tell me why I was scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. Yes, again. And my entire For You page was just Labubu, like everywhere. People unboxing them, flexing shelves full of them. Some girl had a whole wall dedicated to these tiny, creepy, cute things. And I'm sitting here like, wait, is this still cute, or have we officially entered our overconsumption era again? Because babe, people are spending rent money on these little creatures. Let's unpack it. What even is Labubu? Okay, so quick backstory in case you've been living under a rock. Labubu started as this character from a Hong Kong illustrator named Kassing Lung, right? Created this whole little monster world called the Monsters, and Labubu was like the main character. Then the toy brand Pop Mart got involved, and that's when things got wild. They started dropping Labubu in these mystery blind boxes, meaning you don't even know which one you're getting until you open it. It's like adult Kinder Eggs, but make it aesthetic. And babe, that mystery, that OMG, which one will I get dopamine hit, that's what made it explode. The rise of the Labubu lifestyle. So now it's not just toys anymore, it's a whole culture. People are decorating their rooms with Labubu displays, carrying Labubu keychains on their Dior bags, doing unboxing hauls with like 30 boxes at a time. And influencers? Oh, they ate this trend up. Lisa from Blackpink posted one, Dua Lipa had one on her bag, and suddenly, every aesthetic girl on TikTok decided they needed a Labubu for emotional support. I mean, I get it. They're adorable, creepy in a cute way, and it gives off that kidult vibe, you know? Like nostalgia, but expensive. The psychology behind the hype. Now here's where it gets interesting, bestie, because this isn't just a toy trend, it's psychological. See, when you buy a blind box, you're gambling a little. You get that rush of excitement, that little burst of dopamine every time you open one, so you think, just one more. But that's how it gets you. Pop Mart knows what they're doing. Limited editions, surprise drops, mystery boxes, they're literally designed to keep you hooked. And social media just makes it worse. You see someone post their rare Labubu and you're like, I need it. When cute becomes chaos. But now people are starting to say it's going too far. Like some collectors are dropping hundreds, even thousands, trying to complete every Labubu series. Some resellers are flipping them for triple the price. I read one blog that said Pop Mart made almost 5 billion RMB this year alone from Labubu alone. That's like 600 million US dollars. Babe, that's a whole empire built off mystery boxes. And you know what else? There are even fake Labubu websites now. Scams. People paying $50 for counterfeits and getting nothing. So not only are people overspending, some are literally being scammed. Like the chaos. Is it the worst overconsumption trend? Now this is where the convo gets real, bestie. Is this the worst overconsumption trend of 2025? Let's think about it. We've had Stanley Cups, fast fashion hauls, squishmallows, skincare overload, and now Labubu. We're stuck in a loop of wanting what's cute, trendy, and rare even when we don't need it. It's that mix of FOMO and comfort. Like, the economy's stressful, life's chaotic, so collecting something cute feels harmless. Until suddenly, you've got 50 Labubus and a drain bank account. The community side. Now don't get me wrong, it's not all bad. Some people genuinely find joy in collecting. They trade with friends, go to pop-ups, and even build creative displays. It's like their little art gallery. The community side is honestly adorable. People bond over it, share tips, and decorate together. That's the fun part, but like any trend, moderation is key. Honestly, bestie, I get it. I love cute things too. I have my little aesthetic obsessions, but I also feel like this trend shows how much we're craving comfort and nostalgia right now. It's not just about Labubu. It's about wanting something to make us smile when everything else feels overwhelming, but we can still enjoy it without falling into the trap of overspending or chasing every drop. And speaking of cute things you can actually enjoy guilt-free, you know I have my online beauty business, right? If you love affordable luxury, self-care, and feeling cute on a budget, definitely check out the link in my description. I've got new beauty drops that won't drain your wallet, period. Because it's all about balance, bestie. Look good, feel good, but keep your money goals in check. You can be soft and smart. So what do you think, bestie? Is the Labubu obsession still fun, or has it officially gone too far? Would you spend money on a blind box, or nah? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like this video if you enjoyed our little FaceTime gossip sesh, and subscribe for more girly deep dives. Remember, trends come and go, but your peace and your budget, they matter more. Love you. See you in the next one.